How to change knives on a disc chipper. Tools required: 1.5-inch socket, impact gun, torque wrench, a good pair of leather work gloves, compressed air, feeler gauge, flat screwdriver, lockout tagout. Always wear proper clothing and personal protective equipment. Clothing should be close-fitting and tucked in. Hard hat, eye, and ear protection must be worn while working on the chipper. All eye protection must be OSHA approved and should consist of safety glasses with side shields, goggles, or a flip-down visor that may be plastic or mesh. Wear a sturdy pair of work pants and a good pair of steel-toed work boots with non-slip soles. Proper fitting gloves are also recommended to protect the worker's hands. Warning: always perform the lockout tagout procedure before working on your chipper. Serious injury or death could occur if someone accidentally starts the engine. To begin, make sure the work area on and around the chipper is free of trip hazards and that the chipper is on level ground. 2 operators are required at all times when changing chipper knives. First, make sure the clutch is disengaged and the clutch lock is installed. If equipped with a fluid clutch, make sure the clutch drive is disengaged. Danger: care should be taken to ensure the disc has come to a complete stop before attempting any maintenance. If the discharge chute is not already down, remove the discharge transport brace. Start the engine and activate the spout fold or hood open valve to lower the discharge to the normal operating position. Next, remove the chipper hood pins and activate the spout fold or hood open valve again. Since the discharge spout is heavier than the chipper hood, it will pull the chipper hood open. Make sure the hood opens all the way. This will pull the hood over center and make it impossible for the chipper hood to close on an operator as gravity holds it open. Once the hood is open, turn off the engine and follow the lockout tagout procedure mentioned earlier in this video. Next, place the hood pin into the disc lock tube, then rotate the chipper disc until the pin drops into the notch on the rim of the disc. Caution: chippers with rim blades will interfere with the disc lock pin between notches. Be sure the pin is in disc lock and not against a rim blade. Use a 1.5-inch socket and impact gun to remove the knife. Use caution when removing the knife. Even a dull knife can injure an operator. Use compressed air to blow dirt and debris out of the knife pocket. Debris under clamps will cause the knife to pull out and damage the knife and clamps. Next, inspect counter knife wear. Replace if worn excessively or if any sign of wear appears on the holder. For more information, see the Inspecting Counter Knife section in your user's manual. Place the newly sharpened and babbited knife into the knife pocket. Keep knives in matched sets at all times. Never install a brand new knife on a disc with older sharpened babbited knives. This will make the disc out of balance. If you need to replace a knife with a new knife, you need to replace all knives on the disc with new knives. With a flat screwdriver, pry the knife to the outer diameter of the disc while holding the knife inward into the knife pocket. Secure the knife by tightening the center nut or nuts on each clamp first. Torque the clamp nuts between 500 and 800 foot-pounds. Next, using a 1 or 2/1000 feeler gauge, check between the knife and counter knife as well as the knife and clamp for any opening. All openings must be corrected prior to operating the chipper. Severe damage to the chipper may result if you fail to follow these instructions. Remove the disc lock pin and slowly rotate the disc backwards to check for proper clearance of vertical and horizontal anvils. This is a good time to check the condition of the anvil. For more information, see the Inspecting Vertical and Horizontal Anvils section of your user's manual. Proceed to the next knife and repeat until all knives are installed on the disc. Finally, remove the lockout tagout, start the engine, and close the chipper hood. Install the chipper hood pins. Your knives are now ready for operation.